Hi George, welcome back to your English classes with your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin Castro. Today is Thursday, May 20th, 2021, and today we have a very long day of work. So, first of all, you need your notebook. Pause the video and get your notebook so we can work today. So, what we're going to do today is a mental map. You might be asking, what's a mental map? And I'm going to tell you. A mental map is a tool that we use to remind us information, as you can see here. For example, let's say that we talk about spring, que hablamos de la primavera. Okay, what do we know about spring? Okay, that is sunny, that is green, there are butterflies, okay, animals, the bees come out, and there are a lot of flowers. Oh yes. So that's what it's the use. Nos sirve es una herramienta que nos sirve para recordar cosas mediante imágenes, like the example that I just gave you. Or for example, the future. Let's say that I want to remind what I want for my future. ¿Qué es lo que quiero de mi futuro? Okay, future. I want a family. Okay, I want a job. I want education. I want sports and fun, love, food and health. Okay, but we're going to do this one about ancient Rome. So pause the video and take notes of what we're going to put about ancient Rome. We're going to look for food, sports, language, the location, the numbers, and traditions. Pause the video. Okay, now we can continue. You finish copying? So, if you remember, we saw this about ancient Rome. We saw about the sports, the Colosseum, the gods, the fights, the chariot races, the helmet. We saw about the vocabulary, the gladiators, bad soldiers, and this. So what you're going to do is choose one picture or one image of the things that I'm going to show you and draw something look like that. For example, as in sports, you can draw the chariot races. You can draw a horse and a chariot, and means in sports, ancient Rome kept chariot races. We also saw that fights are part of the traditions. You can draw a helmet or a sword, that means fights in the categories traditions. And we also saw that they were located in Italy. You can draw the Italy flag. The language, we know that language it's about Latin. They talk Latin. Okay, you can draw some letters about the Latin. You can make A, B, and the C. Public baths. The public baths were part of the traditions of Rome. Aqueducts. Oh yeah, this was also part of the traditions, and you draw the tradition. The meals, they eat fish and beef, fruits, vegetables, salt. So, showing these pictures, you should choose one of each of these. Roman numbers, the Roman numbers. Okay. And you might have something look like this. The tradition, public baths and gladiators. And the Roman numbers, and you put some Roman numbers. The location, I put the flag. The language, I copied this. Sports, okay, we have the sports here. The meals, yes, why not? So, this is the tool that we're going to use to remind us about what we learned about ancient Rome. Esta va a ser la herramienta que nosotros vamos a usar para recordarnos de la Roma antigua. As you can see, I put pictures of yo puse imágenes acerca de lo para recordarme. Esto es lo otro. If you didn't copy the pictures that I told you, pause the video and draw stuff like this. Y dibuja las cosas que están aquí. Okay, now we can continue. We also saw about ancient Egypt, and we're going to do the same. So, pause the video. We're going to do a mental map. Vamos a hacer dibujos para recordarnos acerca de la cultura egipcia. Pause the video and copy this. Okay, now we can continue. So, we talk about the vocabulary. We saw the pyramids, Egyptians, mummies, and all that. We also see the hieroglyphics, the Nile River, and all that. We learned about that they were a powerful civilization and one of the greatest in the history. This is because of the Nile River that gave them food, soil, water, and transportation. We learned that the pyramids they were used as tombs, and the kings were buried with their treasures. And we saw that they were here in the map in the north of Africa, northwest or northeast. I think northeast of Africa. And we learned about their laws and rules. The laws were with the belief of the goddess Ma'at, that it's the god of truth, justice, ethics, balance, and harmony. And the concept was that everyone is equal, no matter how rich or poor you are. And the punishment was for all your family. We also saw the hieroglyphics alphabet, and we write the name. So, with this in mind, we do this mental map. Hicimos este mapa mental to remind us about the ancient Egypt, para recordarnos acerca del antiguo Egipto. We have the traditions like mummy, we have the pyramids, las pirámides, the map, the Nile River, the laws and rules, and hieroglyphics. If you didn't choose a picture to draw, you can copy these ones. Puedes copiar estas. So pause the video and copy these pictures. Finish? Perfect! So now that you have your two mental maps, dos mapas mentales, we're going to talk about those on Monday. So you must be done it. Los debiste haber hecho, George. Okay? So, yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video and see you on Monday. Don't forget, George, you need this one, and the Rome, el de imágenes que te recuerden acerca de lo que aprendimos de Roma y lo que aprendimos, dibujos que te recuerden lo que aprendiste de Roma y dibujos de lo que aprendiste acerca de Egipto. Dos secciones. Puedes hacerlo así, puedes hacerlo en una hoja cada uno, pero tienes que tener dibujos de lo que aprendiste acerca de Roma y Egipto. Okay? See you on Monday. Have a very nice weekend. And that's all. Thank you for watching the video.